Hey everybody, welcome back to the Sesame overview. If you're new here, thanks for joining in. My name is Alex Evans and I'm the founder and CEO of Raging Websites. But today we're going to be doing a very short video. I'm just going to be showing you guys how to access and alter your Sesame store settings. So if you've downloaded the application but you haven't gone into it yet, this is how you're going to access it. Right on the left side here, right under discounts, you're going to click on apps, then you're going to click on Sesame, and it's going to bring you to this dashboard page. The dashboard page always has like handy tips here, which is really great of them. But today we're going to be going all the way over to the settings tab, where we'll be able to see exactly which plan that we're using. So I'm on the pro plan for right now, and I'm just going to scroll down and I see that it is enabled, which is great. That's what I want. I also want to make sure that these are checked blue, send to merchant as well as send to customer. I want to know when somebody creates a calendar event on my calendar and they make that purchase, and I also want the customer to know that they are actually confirmed as well. The Sesame button label is actually what people are going to see when they're on the product page or the service page. So when they're selecting like their hair appointment, it'll say select time. I typically leave this as is, but that's up to you if you'd like to change it to select appointment or create appointment or something along those lines. The time format looks good to me. This all looks great. I do want the time zone on here, and my reservation period. The reservation period is going to be the amount of time you give somebody to sit and hold a reservation while they're in the cart. So it's similar to like buying concert tickets. You only have like 5 minutes or whatever until they go to the next person. This is exactly that, and they do have some options here for you. I do want to validate the appointments in the cart just to make sure that no one's accidentally getting double booked. And because I have the pro plan, I would prefer to leave the Sesame branding off my page. And that's it. Stick around for the next video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to make a product and make sure that it's actually working with Sesame.